Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video we will see how can we create a profile in Visual Studio Code for Windows. So let's dive in to the demonstration. To create a profile in VS Code, click on the Manage button here and go to Profiles. Now click on New Profile and you can provide a name over here. If you wish to copy contents from a pre-existing profile or from a bunch of presets, you can do so from here. If you wish to modify this name, you can do that by just replacing the name with the text you want to add. I will give the name as demo. Now, under contents, you can choose which content will be copied from which profile. Once done, you can preview the profile or hit create to create the profile. Now the profile has been created. You can activate it by putting a tick mark over here.
Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.